Ladies and gentlemen, in May, the new regulations for medical devices and in vitro diagnostics for the European market were published. So we have the medical device regulation, the so-called MDR, who has a transition period of 3 years, and we have the IVDR that has a transition period of 5 years. These transition periods seem long, but what is important now is to understand what are the differences, that you are able to take the right decisions and the right budget decisions for how to transfer the existing product portfolio into the new regulation. What are the highlights of changes? There will be no grandfathering, so if your device was certified under the MDD, it is not clear that this is sufficient, that it will also comply according to the new regulation. Second is that there is, for certain devices, a higher risk classification, so an up classification, that means higher supervision and higher requirements on documentation. So here it's important that you understand which devices fall into the group. Then the requirements on the clinical side are way more clear. You will need to upload once a year an actualized clinical evaluation report up to the EUDAMED database. The equivalence route for clinical evaluation, so you use in fact the clinical evaluation reports for other devices where you claim equivalency to, will be way more difficult. So be clear about what does it mean for my devices where I use that route. And requirements on post-market clinical follow-up and are way more clear. Then there is the EUDAMED database. That will be a new database where a lot of information about your devices will be uploaded. The devices will be identifiable via UDI. So not only your clinical report will be there will be also summaries of audit reports and also from the vigilance reporting. What did we do on the side of TÜV Süd to help you for this new regulation? Since 2014, we were investing a lot in ramping up our resources. We are really proud to say that this year we have twice as many experts than we had in 2014. We also, since 2 years, implement the processes as far as it was understandable according to the new regulation. And with this, we are now able also to offer you new services regarding the new regulation. So the one service is we offer to you so-called MDR Delta audits, so we can show you the non-conformities of your existing quality management system already to the new requirements. So you can understand on an early stage what the new requirements are and expectations are. And the same we would like to offer to you around Q3, where we would have also Delta services to look into your product portfolio or in your technical documentation and show you the non-conformities of the existing technical file or device if they are towards the new regulation. So with this you have also a good chance, besides to learn by yourself, also to understand what is the expectation from the notified body side, and this should help you to prepare to take good decisions, whom to hire, whom to have as your partners in the company to help you to update the technical documentation and your devices, that they will be also certified according to the new regulation in 3 or 5 years for in vitro diagnostica. Another thing that we consider very important, if you have a concept how you would like to transfer the existing portfolio into the new system, start to talk early with your notified body. Those having the right concepts and starting early and knowing when to do what in a conscious way will have a smooth transfer, and it's very clear that at the end of the transition period there will be many latecomers rushing in, and then it will start to be very unpredictable when certifications can be done. With this, I would wish you good luck and a good hand, very good decision making and a great cooperation with TÜV Süd. Thank you, your Peter Havel.